they were gonna do
slime.
Yeah, right. And they were gonna do the rest in a little while.
Oh, you can turn the TV off in there, Daddy. Right here. Here's your thing. Which glitter do you want?
The bows.
This one? All right. And don't use all of them because you got more colors to do. Here.
So soft.
Yeah, it is. That feels cool, huh? All right. That's probably enough. And then you can lay it aside.
Look, they're little bows.
Yeah, that's cute.
I love it.
Good.
And now,
You got to squish them to squish it in and mix them.
I
It's like your add-ins. So squish it around.
first we have to fold it like in a little sandwich
Okay.
so they don't fall out.
Okay.
Then you just squish and squish and squish.
And then you can squish them in those little molds if you want, the Minnie Mouse or the Mickey Mouse.
I want to make the skin color.
Okay, so do you want to mix another color with that?
We have to mix red.
Red, okay.
Let's see if it will do the trick.
Okay. Do you want me to take it out for you? Out of the packaging?
Yeah.
With their little Mickey Mouse bags. It's fun.
Yeah. You can also give it a twist.
Yeah.
And make it into a little bow.
Oh, very nice. Look at you go.
Just like all the little bows inside it. Just
Okay.
they don't have a twist.
Alright, this red is not coming out very well. It's all stuck to my finger now. Alright, here you go.
Use
Do you want
that-
to stick those little bows on there? If you squinch it on there, it'll stick the bows on there.
I'm gonna put both kinds of glitters.
Okay.
Put some red.
Here, lay it on the little dish and then just put a little bit, okay? Do you want me to dump it on there for you, or you got it
Let
okay?
me do it.
Okay. Is it not dumping out here? Let me see. I might have not cut it enough. Can I see?
You didn't.
Sorry. I guess I didn't do it very well.
But you got some.
Yeah, well, I'll do it better and then I'll dump out. Okay. Here you go. Now it's all the way open. That should be better. It's like really translucent glitter, huh? Okay. Why don't you save a little bit of that to the edges? Okay. Now you can squish them and then you can mold them. Because I think this might be the air dry clay.
Yeah. It doesn't feel like it.
Yeah, because it says it's moldalite, so...
So
maybe
that
we didn't do this
that
right.
means it's like air dry clay.
Yeah, so if you wanted to mix the colors together, you can, or you don't have to, and then you can shape them in those little containers with the little
I
dollies.
know that it makes skin color if you do that.
Okay. Let me know if you need help, or if you got it okay.
Ooh, look how it's doing it.
Yeah.
Look how it's doing the job really good. It's really just not very hard to stretch.
Okay.
I guess we need more yellow
Okay.
because it's not working.
Well, it's not the color you want yet.
No, we need even more yellow. And glitter. We put yellow. I might need some yellow for different colors, so I
Okay.
can rip the excess off.
Okay.
Could you mix it?
Yeah, I'll mix it.
And then I'll label this glitter aside.
Okay. Do you want to start putting the red and the yellow into the mold or not yet?
Not yet, until it looks like, let me show you. This.
Oh. Okay. Well, I don't know if it's going to look like that, but it's like orangish now. Do you like that? Okay. Do you want to open one of the other colors, or you want to start putting them in the molds? Because we're going to put them in the molds before it hardens. Okay?
Oh.
Because this will harden like air dry clay. And then you'll have a shape of either Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse. Do you want me to open the blue and the pink or no?
Yeah, the blue and the pink.
Okay, here's this one. Are you going to put this one in your mold now? Or do you want me to squish around your yellow and your other one for you?
Oh, I can make a pizza.
Oh.
Could you make a circle?
Yeah, why do you make a circle?
You have to do it with this thing.
Oh. Well, I'll make it a little ball. Why don't you make it in a circle? You got it figured out. Oh, that's cool. And then you can just tear off the excess.
And you need to be really careful
Okay.
that you don't tear the actual circle
Okay.
when you take the scissors off.
Okay, cool.
Then you need to try and take the circle off there.
Okay, it's pretty squishy, so you can make it however you like.
And then I sprinkle glitter on there and sugar.
Oh, cool.
And then we make it like this.
Okay.
And then we
Here's the pink one when you want the pink one.
and then we take, then we make a, and then we squish it onto your finger and make it completely covered.
Oh, okay. And here's the blue one. This feels really cool, huh? Fine. Now when you're done putting the glitter on it, you can put them in your little molds. Can I take this one off right here? Should I shape the yellow all back together?
Yeah, and then try and do the same as I did.
Which yellow are you using? Were you using that one?
So we have to use the red because we're making pepperoni. Then you flat that yellow circle.
Oh, here, look. So like this, and then you want to flat it?
Like,
Okay. And should we make some little balls for pepperoni?
yeah. We're making not two little balls.
Okay.
We're
Why don't
making
you sit down because all they see is your tummy. So like this, is this okay? Or is that too small?
that's too small.
So bigger?
Yeah.
Alright. This is really stringy. It's an interesting texture.
I like it, you know.
Okay. I didn't say I didn't like it. I just said it was an interesting texture. Right.
I know.
There you go.
Look, I'm putting pink for the surrounding sticks.
Okay.
And putting this little ball.
Do you want more little balls or just one?
This is my pizza. I'm not doing very good, right?
Well, you can do it however you want. As long as you're happy with it, that's all that counts.
So we're doing kind of like a TikTok.
Kind of.
That's the part that I've been wanting to do, what they did.
Oh, okay.
But we don't have the same clay as them because they have air dry clay and we don't have that anymore.
Yeah, we used all our air dry clay, huh?
I think so.
Yeah, we used that like a long time ago because you got that from Christmas.
Tomorrow we need to get more.
Well, we'll see.
We need to get.
Probably not tomorrow. We just got a whole bunch of new stuff, baby. There. I don't know if you need this many little balls, but here they are. We can always squish them back together.
There. That's how you make a ring.
Cool.
And then you get it off.
Okay. Is that the crust?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's all circled around the pepperoni.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it looks yummy.
Now we just have to use scissors or something to get the excess off.
Oh, you know what you could use? There's like a little knife in here. You want to use the little knife? And then you can cut off the excess. Go slow.
There.
Okay. Now do you want to stick some in your little mold to make Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse? You made your pizza. Let's lay that aside so it can dry.
Yep.
Sorry. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
It's pretty sticky. This
These are like the little toppings.
Okay. You want to put the little toppings on? Why don't you sprinkle them on?
I'm putting some of the bows.
Okay. I'm trying to go slow so I don't tear it up.
We have to cover the red piece
Okay.
because that's the part that we have.
Okay.
That's
pull it.
the filling.
Oh, cool. All right, here. Okay, now we'll lay that one aside. And then, do you want to make your little molds now in here? And you can squish all these little balls back together if you want. Or if you roll them, it gets the glitter on there, huh?
That's not what I'm planning.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
And then I flatten the edges.
Okay.
And then, can I have that tool?
Yes.
And then I cut these off.
Oh, okay. What are you making?
A little bag of the Doritos
Oh, cool.
without the sign
Oh,
because
yeah.
it got homemade.
Mm-hmm. All right. You want to lay it up here so it can dry?
And can I have this?
Mm-hmm.
Then you take 3 balls and put them together, and you take your stick and you flatten it like this.
Oh, wow. That
When
looks cool.
And then you cut off these little pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you just do this. So make like those little symbols.
Okay.
And then you like pull it forward.
Okay.
Then it like sticks.
Mm-hmm.
And then you like squish it together like this.
Oh.
Then you do it again with the other 1, 2, 3, 4. You do it with the other 4.
Okay.
And then you do this.
See.
And then you flatten it. And you take your big ball, your little balls, and you flatten it right here. That looks like a paw print.
Oh, it does look like a paw print. That's cool. Should I lay the paw print aside over here so it can dry?
No,
No?
not yet.
All right, well, you do what you're doing. Sorry.
See? So I break those little daddies,
I see.
and then you break it apart.
Oh, cool.
So now we're doing food in a zombie apocalypse.
Okay. You doing okay, Daddy?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Then we take those little pieces and squish them together, and then roll them into a line.
Oh, okay.
A really big line, bigger than this.
Yep, it is big.
Let me keep that.
I was just moving it aside a little bit so you had more room.
There, that's long enough.
Okay.
Then we take this toy. We
Yeah,
cut it
thank you.
this way. And once we cut like the edges, and then we cut for the middle. And then we take our stick and like voila.
Cool.
Now we do this. And then if there's a little gap on the bottom, do that.
I see.
See, ta-da!
Cool.
There's like a little dough. If you have a little dough like this, then you take a bit of red,
Yeah,
and then you mix it in with those two colors.
I see.
Now see what it makes.
Do you want me to mix it all together?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll mix it up for you.
For this, I'll have to use all my sugar.
Okay.
That means I get to use all my glitter.
Okay. All right, here's the one I mixed for you. Do you like that color? It's kind
Yeah.
of like a light orange color.
Oh, there's the blue.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
Mm-hmm.
it's softer than the others.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Touch.
Oh, it is really soft.
So you take some of it. Oh, I had an idea. Make. What did I use?
You use pink and orange and yellow, like what you got right here. So if you mix that with this, then it'll be the same.
And I also used red.
Mm-hmm.
Is this orange?
Yeah, it's like a dark orange, but yeah, that's orange.
I used dark orange. I
Okay.
think.
Yeah, I don't remember exactly, but I think so.
We're gonna make a different orange. I
Okay.
think.
All right, I'll mix that together for you. All right, and then what are you doing with all these little balls that you're making? Are you going to put them in your little molds, or what are you making out of these?
We're gonna make a pizza.
Okay.
So I can flatten them.
Okay.
Oh no! No!
What, did it fall?
No! Don't let Mittens eat it.
Mittens is not going to eat it because it's not food.
She didn't know that.
Yeah, well, I think she's okay.
then I flattened the second one, and then I flattened it.
Okay, well, good.
It has to be different shades, so it will look like a real pizza.
That sounds good. You having fun?
Yeah.
Good.
Look how it like compared.
Oh, cool. Oh, wow, you got it all flattened out. It's like super thin now.
It has to be like that,
Okay,
and it can't be broken.
I see.
This is like putty.
Okay. Yeah, it's fun to mold that, huh?
Can you mix all this together?
Yeah.
In the meanwhile, I'll use this and this to make a color.
Okay.
I don't know what it'll make.
I might make purple, or like a light purple.
Look.
Oh, very nice.
It's like a burgundy color.
Yeah.
Maybe I just need more red.
Okay.
Or more blue and red.
Right, here, I mixed this one for you. So it's right here when you're ready for it, okay?
Look at this orangey purple color. I could use it for mushrooms. Can you?
Oh, mushrooms?
Oh, these could be mushrooms. Just. Oh, we're still doing the video.
Yeah, I know. I just had a message, so I was seeing what it was.
Until you don't see any more colors.
Okay.
Look at this color.
Yeah, that's pretty.
We have to use this for mushrooms look like this.
Oh, are you going to mold them in the Minnie Mouse head or the
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse head? Okay.
I'm taking some dough for the
If
ears.
you want, you can take, you can add to it.
Okay.
This.
Let's be kind of quiet because Dad's on the phone.
No, he's not on the phone. He's just watching TV. He came in here to get a piece of bacon, I think.
Nope, he definitely is on the phone
Where are you?
because I heard him speaking German.
Oh.
He's talking to Nana.
Oh.
It's the middle of the night there, I think.
Mm-hmm. It's probably getting towards night, yeah.
It's nighttime there, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Because, could you take the excess off?
Yeah.
There.
Do you want me to take this out of the little mold too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll put some of my delightful sugar.
Okay. I need to get another piece so I can
I'm
squish it
gonna
up.
do
Oh no,
something.
this doesn't do, oh, yes it does. This is too sticky. It's not like the Play-Doh. It didn't work how I wanted it to work. Alright, but that's the shit.
I'm
think I messed
fixing
it
my
up.
pizza.
Okay, I think I messed you.
Wherever it rips, there could be pepperoni.
Okay.
Because
Here's
I'm
your little
using
mini.
red.
Does that look kind of okay? It didn't come out as well as I would have liked.
It looks okay. I'm putting the pepperoni.
Okay.
now I'm putting mushroom sauce.
Cool.
What did I use? Oh, red.
I don't think you have any red left. I think you used all of it. Here's a tiny bit of red.
Ah. How do you make red?
No, we don't have anything to make red.
Look up how to make red.
Well, we don't have the right stuff to make red, baby. We're running out of colors, okay? So maybe you want to make something big out of the blue when you're through with making your pizza.
Look, I covered the whole pizza.
Good job.
My pizza's almost covered.
Yeah.
Look, it's a pizza.
Yeah, great job.
I need to make it kind of stiff to move around.
Okay. Well, if you let it dry, it'll harden up. We just gotta let it dry.
There.
Okay. Now you want to do the blue in one of the molds?
Oh, I got an idea. Since
Okay.
I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, they'll just take a piece of everything
Oh.
and see what that makes.
Okay. Yeah, you can do that.
I don't know what will make with the pink and the blue in there. And that brown kind of color.
Kind of purplish brown. Do you want me to mix it for you, or you got
It's
it?
making a purple color.
Oh, cool. Can you hold it up so I can see? I can't see.
You don't get to see.
Oh, I don't. All right.
It's like a purplish color.
Okay.
I can't see because it's dark down here.
Oh, okay.
It's also a little pink. Look at it.
Yeah, it's pretty. All right. What are you gonna make now?
I just gonna make the whole color.
Okay. You're gonna mix them all together?
Yeah. Then I'll make a bigger version of that.
Yeah.
Could you make a bird?
A bird? Maybe. You want me to mix the color together for you?
Yeah, because
Why
not
don't
all
you
the way.
make Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse?
Not all the way. So it would be like a tie-dye bird.
A bird? I don't know if I know how to make a bird, River.
Just try. If I prove it, that means it's good. I'm putting the toppings on my pizza.
I'm thinking. All right. She wants me to make a bird out of this. Okay. Well, I'm trying.
I want it to look like it's flying.
I'm trying, baby. What do you think? Does that kind of look like a bird?
That looks great.
Oh, good. Well, I'm glad. I'm going to put it down flat. There. Okay. Now, should we let these dry?
Yeah.
You got a little bit of that blue and a little bit of that pink. What are you going to make with those?
For this, I'll just use a little bit to see what it makes,
Okay.
so I can improve it.
Okay.
It makes purple.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm in your food. Do you just want Mommy to pet you?
He's such a greedy kitty because she wants her mom to herself.
Oh, sorry.
So don't believe in what she wants or what she really, really wants.
Mittens, get off the table. Why are you coming to my lap? What are you doing?
And she just wants pets. And she's investigating.
Mittens, don't put your head in the camera. Goofball thing. Here,
I guess she wants to be in the video.
I guess.
Oh, just let her be in the video.
I don't know if people want a video of just a cat's butt.
Maybe if she showed her face instead of her butt.
Yeah. Well, you might be able to see her. Oh, she's going now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to turn the camera over.
Look how glittery this galactic purple is.
Yeah, that's cool.
Let's call it Battlestar Galactica.
Yay! Yeah, that was our show that we were watching, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Let's put that on the bird.
Okay. Is that like his decoration or something?
That where he carries the baby
Oh.
bird.
Cool.
That's so the baby bird could be warm. I think my lotion is soaked in now.
All right. Are you done now?
Yeah.
All right. You want to say bye-bye?
Bye. I hope you had fun. Glitter away.